Hey, welcome to the channel. My message to you in this video is going to be very, very simple. You guys have given me a platform, and I truly want to say thank you. For those of you guys who watch my content every single day, you catch me over on X as well. By the way, I'm reposting this video to X. You guys watching it there, drop in the comments below. Let me hear your thoughts on this as well. But here's what I really wanted to say. There is a misinformation campaign out there against crypto. There is a war on crypto. We know the SEC, all that. I've got some stuff I want to show you in just a minute, but I want you to understand something. Don't believe their lies. There are CEOs of companies out there, Jamie Dimon, JP Morgan, who has gone out there and has called Bitcoin a scam, has called crypto a scam. Yet, JP Morgan Chase is one of the largest holders of the BlackRock ETF. You see where I'm going with this? They are saying one thing publicly, sending a message of carnage, misinformation, telling you and trying to run you out of crypto, trying to run you out of your Bitcoin. And meanwhile, very, very quietly, they are buying Bitcoin. And by the way, I guarantee you they're buying other assets. They're buying Ethereum. They're buying other cryptos. And they're not saying anything to you because they don't want you to know. And then one day down the road, they're going to magically look up one day and they're going to go, this crypto thing, it's okay. You know why? And when they're going to say that? When they've bundled it all up and parsed it up into projects and different funds and different things that they can sell you and make money off of you. Don't believe their lies. Don't believe the crap that is out there, that Bitcoin's a scam, Ethereum, crypto's a scam. You shouldn't be doing. Don't do it. When you hear those guys and gals out there saying that, laugh it and move on. Here's what I want to show you. Crypto right now is on fire. We know this, right? We got the CPI data came out today. It's good stuff. We also need Congress to protect us from the SEC, from Gary Gensler. Look, bottom line, we all know what he's done. He is absolutely waging a war against crypto. Well, part of it could be his rhetoric, his saber rattling, everything he's doing. And what do we have coming up here in the States? In November, we have an election. Biden's administration is anti-crypto. We know they are. Trump's administration, pro-crypto, better for crypto. I think crypto is the last financial frontier, and it's all about who can control it and all those kind of things. That's a different video, but you get my point. I think that Gary Gensler's afraid. I think that after November, I think he's going to be replaced. I think he's going to go away in one way or the other. But Congress is making strides, slow strides, to try to begin to rein in some of the power here. Okay, so that's one part of the message I wanted to send to you. But more importantly, it's this. Look, if you ever doubt that crypto is a scam, look at this. Wisconsin has become the first state pension to buy spot Bitcoin ETFs, and they now hold over $162 million. Now, I am not calling the Wisconsin State Pension Board liars. That's not my point. My point to show you that news article was to show you the legitimacy of Bitcoin, the legitimacy of crypto. And you have to look in the right places to see that legitimacy. I had to go and look for that piece of information. I heard about it, knew about it, but then I had to go literally click into like 2 or 3 different websites to find it on Google. It's been buried. Because remember, what does this all come down to? Power and money. The government wants to control it. The government doesn't like crypto in any shape, form, or fashion because it's decentralized in nature and it doesn't give them power. There's not one neck to choke, if you will. It's about power. It's control. Period. End of story. That's what the SEC war is about. Power and control. Oh, by the way, they're probably going to, sue USDT, Tether. Probably going to. And rumors and speculation are there. The governments hate stable coins, hate them with everything they have. They can't stand stable coins of any form or fashion because it takes away from the power base. Business traditional finance, that's a double-edged sword. On one hand, we like them, we want them, we need them because they are a buffer, a barrier between us and crypto and millions of investors who invest in traditional finance products, mutual funds, ETFs, who are who have all their money with BlackRock and ARK and Merrill Lynch and all these guys, right? And they're just simply waiting on the advice of their financial advisors in those respective big organizations. Should I buy this crypto thing or not? It's a double-edged sword because there is trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars that can and will flow into crypto because of traditional finance getting into crypto. And again, they're coming, they're here. So it's kind of a pro and con situation because they have all that capital, and they're starting to again allocate that capital. And that's one reason I wanted to show you the Wisconsin, state pension fund buying spot Bitcoin ETFs. It's a legitimacy factor, right? You can't sit here and tell me that the Wisconsin state pension would buy Bitcoin if they thought it was a scam. Come on. State pensions are some of the most conservative investing organizations out there. They don't want any risk, really, if they're ran well. Would they be investing in Bitcoin if it's a scam? Again, look at the truth. That's what I care about. That's what I want you to understand. Now back to, again, all these companies, the BlackRocks of the world, all those guys. Look at what they say publicly and look at what they do. Because guess what? They have to divulge their assets, what they buy. JP Morgan Chase, I guarantee you they wish they didn't have to divulge that they own a ton of spot Bitcoin ETFs. But they do. That's my point. And final thought here is, here's how you make a ton of money. Don't listen to them. Don't believe their lies. Have your own plan and protect yourself and don't leave. It's as simple as that. Don't leave. Don't let them run you off. Don't let them get your Bitcoin, your Ethereum. Fight for everything, every right. Fight for the right to be able to buy and sell crypto on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. Oh, Uniswap was sued by the SEC. You know why? Control and money. They waited until they're a multi-billion-dollar organization and then sued them so they could make a bunch of money, in theory, off of a settlement. Let's call it what it is. Everything out there, everything in this world is about control, power, money. If you skin it back to its barest essentials, it comes down to that. Just always look for the truth. That's what it comes down to. Thank you for your time. Thank you for giving me a few minutes. Let me know your thoughts. Drop in the comments below. I'll see you.